안녕하세요. 제 이름은 Nami입니다. Hi, it's Nami, and as you can see, my bangs have grown out. They are quite long. I am trying to grow them out longer. So if you are cutting your bangs and wanting them to grow longer but can't stand this kind of in-between phase, I will show you how I like to trim them so that they stay long in some areas and can continue to grow out, but they don't get in your eyes. This is a really simple and easy way that I like to cut my bangs when I am trimming them to grow them out. So as I brush through my bangs downward with a comb or comb through, you can see that the length of my bangs are the same throughout. So what you want to do is create enough space between the length of the front of your bangs so that you have enough space to see between your bangs and your eyes, but keep the length of the ends so that your bangs can continue to grow out. I want to pinpoint the center of my bangs, cut them at a length that is at my eyebrow or a little bit longer, and then create a triangle. I'm gonna start off with my scissors, cutting my bangs in the middle, right where I want them short, and then I'm gonna take this to the sides. Now you can clean this up so that it's nice and tidy. I'm gonna take my comb and hold my hair. And clean up any fraying bits. Now I like to kind of like ruffle it out and then see where there's extra to cut. For example, if I have some steps like this, I like to kind of trim that. And then you have a nice general shape to your new bangs. Anywhere that's too thick, you can go ahead and point cut like this to remove density. Let's go into styling. I'm gonna do it from over here because the cord is very far. I'll just grab my bangs, and honestly you can do this in sections or you can do the whole bang. I'll start off with the whole bang and I just curl it inwards like so. You can also grab the middle section, curl that, and then grab the ends and curl that separately like this. You can continue to do this routine and keep the length of your bangs growing out until they become curtain bangs and eventually join the rest of your hair. If you found this video helpful, I have another video of if you cut your bangs too short, what you should do to style them. And I have more helpful videos coming up. Definitely don't miss them by pressing the subscribe button and the bell notification. Connect with me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Snapchat. That's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!